When using CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite, you may find some difficulty in associating display names with field names. As an example, I've got this field name over here called reference number, and I want to pull that into Excel. So if I type reference number, I'm not going to find that. So what we need to do is reconcile that with the field name. In order to do that, come over to NetSuite and click on the field name, and then you'll find the field ID at the bottom right, in this case, Tran ID. Come back over to Excel and type Tran ID, and you'll find your value right there. If you don't see the internal ID at the bottom right of the field help, go ahead to Home and then Set Preferences and make sure you check off Show Internal IDs, and it will then appear for you. In order to determine which fields are required, pull up your NetSuite form for the record in question, in this case a vendor bill, and look for the asterisk next to the field name. In this case, location, vendor, date, etc. all have the asterisks. I've gone ahead and color-coded these because a lot of these fields will actually autofill once you start to enter in some information. Once I enter in the vendor Amazon, then the date, the posting period, and all this information here in yellow will automatically populate. So although they're required fields, NetSuite gives you a helping hand and starts to fill them out based on values that you've actually set on your vendor record. So with CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite, you can typically leave these values blank, and they'll pick up the default values when the record gets created.